Добрый день, я Оксана и добро пожаловать на мой канал. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss, the difference between Russian verbs уметь и знать. These two verbs are often confused, but they have distinct meanings and usage. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about знать. This verb is used when we want to express knowledge or familiarity with something. It signifies having information, awareness, or understanding about a particular subject. Знать – to know. For example, например, if you want to say I know how to swim, you would say Я знаю, как плавать. Great. Now, let's move on to уметь. This verb is used when we want to convey the ability or skill to do something. It implies proficiency, capability, or competence in performing a specific action. Уметь – to be able to know how to. For instance, например, if you want to say I can play the piano, you would say Я умею играть на пианино. Excellent. So, while знать is about having knowledge or awareness, уметь focuses on the ability or skill to do something. It's important to know that уметь implies practical knowledge and the ability to perform a specific action, whereas знать is more about theoretical knowledge or awareness. For instance, например, if you say, I know English, it means that you have knowledge of the language. But if you say, I can speak English, it implies that you have the ability to communicate in English. Additionally, знать is often used with the nouns, while уметь is typically used with the verbs to express the ability to do an action. Remember, знать focuses on the knowledge and understanding, while уметь emphasizes skills and abilities. That's all for today's video. I hope this explanation helps you to differentiate between уметь and знать in your conversations and writing. Спасибо, что вы учите русский язык.